Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to enable picture in picture mode on Messenger on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So you have first of all, Messenger app is updated from App Store while you have using. So you have opened the setting, then you have scroll up, then you have click on general, then you have click on picture in picture PIP mode shortcuts. So then you have turn on from here, must be while you have using is turn off from your iPhone is not working. So then you have turn on from here, and then you have go back from here. So then you have open the background app refresh. So then you have click here, and then you have turn on from here Wi-Fi and mobile data. So then you have go back from here. So then you have check the Messenger app from here, turn on the background app refresh Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then he is proper working on PIP mode picture in picture on Messenger app. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.